Bunny, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if it is your first time here. My name is Hanni, and if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a new video. If you need a reason to hit that subscribe button, here's your reason. We are fun, we are authentic, and most importantly educative. So hit the subscribe button and join the family. So in today's video, it's more like a fun, this channel is called Adulting with Hanni, so it's just one of those adulting moments, and yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along. So for today's vlog, I am going to a wedding for the first time with my boyfriend. So yeah, I know I've never went to a wedding with my boyfriend before. This is the first time and I'm excited. Like, I don't know what to expect. Like, it's his family's side of so the wedding I'm going to is his family's wedding. I don't know how to say it. It's his nephew. It's his nephew. Nephew is a guy. It's his nephew's wedding that we're going to. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along. And exciting, not exciting, but like maybe a little bit nerve-wracking, or I thought it was gonna be nerve-wracking. But yesterday I met his daughter for the first time. So basically yesterday we spent time together with the daughter and him, and I just didn't want to vlog there. So let me set you guys down because I'm getting tired of holding you guys. This is a weird angle to vlog from, but hey, it's gotta do because his speaks later. Later, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey, for what he did, like he just put the thing on and we're done and we're going already. It didn't even take long. Okay, so now we are going to Yunnan. We're going to pick up some stuff. We're so late. We're supposed to leave early in the morning. We'll come. Oh yeah, Agra first, ne? So we're going to Agra, then we're going to Yunnan, then we are going to pick up his daughter, then we are going to Maduka Traguno, Maduka Chanatona, Pomatu Chanata, Maduka Traguno. Maduka Traguno. So we are going to Chinatown, then go pick up the daughter, then go to a ganja, then go to a Karara, then go do my hair. Obviously, can't go to a wedding looking like this. If I'm in time, I'll do my hair if I still have time to do my hair. If not, we are gonna wear my mother's hair for the road dress. And yeah, then we go to the wedding tomorrow. So we're gonna go to the village first today. Later.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night.
Cheers.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love.
Lalu pedang karena naikkan berada kucing.
Jadi kami nol. Buat kode itu.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's the next day. Ooh, child. Ooh. I don't know how many hours it's been since I last recorded anything for you guys, but I know the last time I recorded I was in Windhoek, I think. But yes, we did make it to Okakarara. We took my Oshikaiva, my headpiece. The lady made it. Then I went to my mom's. I went to get my Oshiherero dress. Not Oshiherero dress. The dresses that go under the Oshiherero dress. My undergarments. Olondorogo, basically. That's what they're called in Oshiherero. So yes, we went to go get that. And I went to go get my hair braided by my lovely mother. Who's this? I don't know. Can you recognize her? Y'all, my hair is so grown, eh? I wanna grow my hair out, man. But yeah, they're so grown. I don't wanna do braids anymore. I don't know. Let me know down below. I wanna do protective hairstyles, but not braids, and also not a sew in, cause sew in. Not that one as well, because with guys, I want to do that because then I have to leave out my hair, then I have to straighten that part of my hair that I leave out, and I don't like that. So let me know what kind of protective hairstyles can I do that do not require using braids, because I don't want to use braids on my hair anymore because they break. Anyways, that's besides the point. So I went to go get my hair done in Okakarara, and I went to go fit on my undergowns just so that I know like which one has to go where. My Zali was helping me with the things, and I went to go get my my wig for the Herero thing, for the Herero dress. It's a different wig, it's not the same. I'll show you guys tomorrow when I'm getting ready. So stay tuned for that vlog. I don't think that vlog is gonna be in this vlog, because if I put that vlog in this vlog, then it's gonna be too long and it's not gonna work. So that will just be a separate vlog on its own. So currently I'm just sitting. I was preparing lunch. I did breakfast earlier on as well, but I was being shy, so I did not record myself. I don't know why, but yeah, I didn't record myself. Then I was doing lunch as well, didn't record myself, but I'm still busy doing lunch, so I think I can show you guys just like when I'm done preparing. Like I'll show you my plate so you can see what I prepared. I basically made rice with chicken. Yeah, something very simple, very easy. Ungwai. I'm getting the eyes. Like, what is this person doing? I know. I think at this point of my YouTube career, I'm starting to get used to those eyes. The shade. Anyways, guys, let me go check on my pots, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I'm also learning how to drive. We're trying to get a driving license, so I'm gonna be driving to Okamatabati later today. so I can get in some practice, practice how to drive, how to keep the car straight on the road, just the basics, so that by the time I go to driving school, at least I know the basics. But yeah, so let me go check on my pot. It's getting windy. I don't know if you guys can still hear me or if the wind is overpowering my voice. So yeah, later. Breathing in.
First one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even